Hi, Paul here. It is May 22nd, 2019. Let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market here. Today's lowest price property is this nice little condo here, 806 square feet for $98,900. A nice new paint job. Vaulted ceilings. At least it looks like it. Yeah. Nice. Nice and clean. Duck Creek, Kentucky Avenue. Boulder Highway. Alright, that looks pretty good. $98,000. Let's go down to the highest priced. Over on Granite Ridge. Nice contemporary home. Across the grassy area there. How much is this? Almost $1 million, I think. Interesting. $950,000, almost 3,000 square feet, built in 09. Okay. Town Center in Flamingo. There we are. Okay, then yesterday, Royal Crest, 75,816 square feet. Basic unit. Twain and Swenson. By UNLV there. Built in 63. Interesting. Nice backyard. Nice house. Like race car drivers. Nice collection there of suits. Might be the owners. Yep. I bet it is. Interesting. Vintage Ridge. Southern Highlands. Okay. 4,700 square feet. Alright, well, that's that. Let's see what we got going on here. We got like 650 660 properties in escrow. Price points. $12,000 for a manufactured home. So lowest point price is $184,500, single family with a pool. Looks like a pretty good deal. Yeah, just your basic house. Over in Washington and Nellis. Okay. Then, these are all today's. Highest priced, $800,000. Like Boulder City. Yep, has to be. This one is Fence Crow, 264. Okay, that's today's. Alright. Nice little house. Okay. No pool, no spa. Okay, then yesterday. What's this? Yesterday, lowest priced one yesterday. These things are all messed up. What's going on here? It's probably what I did wrong. Okay, these are all today's. 120 for the lowest price single family home. I think we just looked at that. No, we didn't. Okay. Two-car garage. We're on Cathio. Alright. These are all today's. The highest price being $4.1 million. Somebody got a good paycheck. 2 people got a good paycheck. Really? $4.1 million for that, huh? Okay. It must be pretty exciting. Maybe the wine comes with it. Interesting. It's a nice house, but I don't know about 4.1 million. Up on a plateau somewhere. Where is this? What the heck? Why is this thing just jumping around? Sunglow, Granite Ridge. Interesting. 6,000 square feet, built in 16. 6 bedrooms, 7 baths, 7-car garage. Somebody liked it. Okay. That was it for that. Let's see what has gone on with pool homes. Okay. Alright, well I think that's about it for today. And messing around looking at some personal stuff here, so I will talk to you tomorrow, and you have a wonderful Thursday. Today's Wednesday. Have a wonderful Wednesday.